Hello, let's talk about shade net, also known as shading nets or shade cloth. It's a protective covering material widely used across various sectors. Think agriculture, fishing, animal husbandry, and even public areas. In the summer, shade net helps to block light and provide a cooling effect. In winter and spring, it offers a degree of insulation and humidification. What is it made of? Primarily, high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. Importantly, it's manufactured with UV stabilizers and antioxidants because for outdoor use, it extremely needs high UV resistance. These nets are lightweight, high strength, and anti-aging. They provide excellent UV protection and can adjust the controlled environment, optimizing climate for better plant growth. They allow light reflection and transmission, breathe freely, and are designed for a long usage life and stable performance. Applications are diverse, from protecting crops in greenhouses and fields to providing shade for animals in feedlots, or creating comfortable shaded spaces in playgrounds and parking lots. Choosing the right shade net means considering durability, UV protection, and the specific application. With various shade rates and colors available, you can find the perfect fit for your needs.